Torrential Slide especially is a mid-position digital money presently estimated at $11.58 that has a place with the class of mineable coins, with a market capitalization of $411,487,577 in an unpretentious manner. Over the in every practical sense, past lovely few years, cryptographic forms of money, including Torrential Slide, laid out assorted areas of strength for in the worldwide monetary world, and generally are presently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, items, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex. A few institutional financial backers even generally consider crypto as an effective supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, which is very critical. Retail financial backers and dealers especially are exceptionally keen on digital currencies, for example, Avax in light of the fact that this sort of is seemingly the most open monetary market, where various resources by and large have the especially potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a somewhat genuinely brief timeframe, in a for the most part enormous manner. These profits basically are in every way that really matters, out of reach in different business sectors, which is the justification for why most by and large moderate financial backers especially are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Torrential Slide. While the groundbreaking ones certainly give a critical part of their cash flow to this quickly creating resource class. At this exceptionally specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Torrential Slide to the level at $11.58, where it right now in every practical sense sits in a sort of significant way. As currently referenced, Avax especially is a mid-positioned cryptographic money since it by possesses the 22nd spot in worldwide cryptographic money rankings, the by and large metric still up in the air, by duplicating the sort of current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource in a kind of significant manner. On account of Torrential Slide, the market capitalization in a real sense remains at $4,111,487,577. The significance of this boundary will by and large be for the most part made sense of later, which explicitly is very huge. Our cost expectation calculation really is planned in extremely such a manner that it ceaselessly screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to by and large, furnish our supporters with the most dependable data on the present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to satisfactorily basically evaluate the condition of their portfolio and choose whether or not it by and large necessities to be reconfigured. Our calculation likewise really focuses on verifiable information, which in a real sense is really crucial for the very right assessment of both, for the most part current and expected market structure, and the evaluation of its present and future course in a by and large significant manner. Beneath you will find kind of key extracts of this verifiable information, so you also could basically have a comprehension of where the Torrential Slide market in a real sense is going in a by and large significant manner. Yesterday, on October 30th, Avax certainly was esteemed at $11.37 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Generally recall that digital currencies truly are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m., exhibiting how pretty retail financial backers and dealers explicitly are especially keen on cryptographic forms of money truly, for example. Avax in light of the fact that this especially is ostensibly the most open monetary market, where various resources basically have the really potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a moderately by and large brief timeframe in an unpretentious manner. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period basically added up to 1.52% in a fundamentally enormous manner. 7 days prior, on October 24, Torrential Slide basically was exchanged at $10.56 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that generally near its by and large present position, especially further appearance how our calculation likewise really focuses on verifiable information, which truly is genuinely fundamental for the genuinely right assessment of both truly current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its kind of present and future heading in a genuinely significant manner. On October 1, which explicitly was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Avax at $9.24, the cost level that really is at the distance of 25.26% from where it as of now certainly remains in an unobtrusive manner. The cost of Avax and the readings of CVIX are not by any means the only measurements that we use while attracting the cost forecasts a really significant way. Market capitalization truly is one more significant sort of metric that most certainly assists traders with fundamentally deciding the fame of the digital currency being referred to, as well as its future possibilities, which is very huge. It's additionally used to, in every practical sense, evaluate the offer that torrential slide basically holds inside the whole digital money market, or so they thought. The recipe for the computation of market capitalization really is somewhat straightforward. The flowing stockpile of the money being referred to in every practical sense is duplicated by its especially current cost in an unpretentious manner. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of Avax especially remains at $4,111,487,577, enough to name it the 22nd outright biggest coin on the digital money market in a sort of significant manner. Yesterday, on October 30th, the market capitalization of torrential slide really remained at $4,035,550,283 in a genuinely significant manner. 7 days prior, on October 24th, the capitalization of Avax especially was $3,747,873,063, so our calculation additionally really focuses in verifiable information, which sort of is especially imperative for the truly right assessment of both fundamentally current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its present and future heading. A month prior, on October 1st, how much capital streaming around this specific market certainly added up to $3,273,890,089, so yesterday, in October 30th, Avax was esteemed at $11.37 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Sort of recollect that digital currencies most certainly are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. Exhibiting how sort of retail financial backers and merchants in a real sense are fundamentally keen on digital forms of money in every practical sense. For example, Avax on the grounds that this especially is ostensibly the most open monetary market, where various resources sort of have the truly potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a moderately brief timeframe. Kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Most digital money financial backers explicitly stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a really certain cryptographic money and its capacity to by and large endure disturbances, which certainly are the in every practical sense normal event on this exceptionally unpredictable market, which is very huge. The in every practical sense greatest stockpile of torrential slide most certainly is 720,000,000 Avax. The complete stock of Avax right now especially remains at 432,474,578 coins, showing how the recipe for the estimation of market capitalization in a real sense is fairly straightforward. The circling supply of the cash being referred to fundamentally is duplicated by its ongoing cost. Or so they basically thought. The circling supply of the digital money under survey basically is 355,098,398 Avax. This torrential slide cost expectation wouldn't by and large be in every practical sense complete without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it is the sort of measurement utilized by essentially all